In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a motorcycle lock, or basically a motorcycle or bicycle brake lock. This thing works actually very interesting. I've never seen anything like this actually. Let me just show you how this works. So this is all the stuff you get with it right here. So what this is a lock that actually locks onto the brake lever and holds onto the handlebars. Very interesting how this thing works. You get a little helmet lock. That's to lock your helmet down, and it's easy to set the combo like that. And then here's how this thing works. This can work on a bicycle or a motorcycle. You're going to grab the brake lever and close it up inside of here, and that way the brake will always be locked. And then once this is locked down, that will lock in the brake and that thing will not move. So the brakes will be locked. And then this is just another measure, and it has a cylinder lock on it. It has these cylinder keys. These are the best keys. They are really high quality lock. This is something I recommend for anybody as like a secondary measure on your bike or your motorcycle or something like that to keep it from getting stolen, because I think this is one of these items that's very, you know what, just the look of it will make you think you don't want to steal it. I have an e-bike. I used it on my e-bike when I was leaving it sitting somewhere. It just make it even harder to take the bike. Obviously, I have a key for taking out, but you can't roll it away. You'd have to pick it up and carry it with this thing on there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Matework brake lock, motorcycle bike lock. See you all in the next video.